In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from an exchange to your OKX account. This process involves a few straightforward steps that will ensure your funds are moved securely and efficiently. Start by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is fully loaded, you should see the main dashboard displaying various options related to your account. Look for the option labeled Assets and tap on it to proceed. After tapping Assets, you will be directed to a new screen showing your available cryptocurrencies. Here, locate and tap on the Deposit button. This action will take you to the Deposit section where you could choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Select the coin you want to deposit, such as USDT, BTC, or Doge. After selecting your desired coin, you will need to choose the appropriate network for the transfer. Make sure to select the same network that you will be using on the other exchange to avoid any issues. Once you have chosen the network, tap on Copy Address. This will copy your OKX deposit address to your clipboard, which you will need for the next step. Now that you have the address, it is time to move to the other exchange where your cryptocurrency is currently held. Open the exchange from which you want to transfer your cryptocurrency, such as Binance, Bybit, or Gates.io. After the exchange loads, look for the Withdraw option and tap on it. This will take you to the Withdrawal section where you can begin the process of transferring your funds. In the Withdrawal section, select the same cryptocurrency you are transferring to OKX. After selecting the coin, paste the OKX address you copied earlier into the designated field. It is crucial to ensure that you select the same network you chose in the OKX app to prevent any loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Review your entries carefully, as transferring incorrect amounts or to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. After confirming the details, proceed to confirm the withdrawal. Depending on the exchange, you may need to complete additional security measures. Once you have confirmed the withdrawal, you will need to wait for the transfer to complete. Typically, this process takes just a few minutes, but on larger networks, it can take up to 30 to 60 minutes. During this time, you can monitor the status of your transaction on the sending exchange. Finally, to check if the funds have arrived in your OKX account, return to the OKX app and navigate back to the Assets section. Your deposit should reflect in your account once the transfer is complete. Ensure that you verify the balance to confirm the successful transfer.